In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with MySQL by creating a Node.js project. You will set up your development environment, configure your database connection, and generate the necessary files to integrate MySQL with your application. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, create a new directory for your project by typing mepdir Claude MySQL app and pressing enter. This command creates a folder named Claude MySQL app. Next, navigate into this folder by entering cd Claude MySQL app and pressing enter. You should now be inside your new project directory. To initialize a new Node.js project, type npm init-y and hit enter. This command generates a package.json file with default settings. Now you need to install the necessary packages, input npm, install express MySQL 2 and press enter. This installs express for the server, MySQL account, and Dotson to manage environment variables. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Next, it's time to create the DNF file to store your MyO credentials. In the PowerShell window, type echo MySQL _host =localhost q and press enter. This command creates a new file called dev and adds the imsql _host variable. To add more variables, enter echo MySQL _port =3003 user your user your password your password your password, and echo MySQL database your database in. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual MySQL credentials. This file is crucial for securely storing sensitive information. Now, open Claude CLI by typing Claude in PowerShell and pressing enter. You should see the prompt change to Claude. At this point, you can send a command to generate your project structure. Type generate a Node.js project using Express and MySQL. Create src/database.js to connect to MySQL using MySQL 2 and .js with express/server.js with Express Server JSON middleware and a /test-id route that queries select now from MySQL. Listen on port 3000. After entering this command, Claude will process your request and generate the necessary files. Once the generation is complete, you can exit Claude by typing exit and pressing enter. Now you are ready to run your server. In PowerShell, type node src/server.js and press enter. You should see a message indicating that the server is running on port 3000 and that the database is connected successfully. This confirms that your application is set up correctly. To test the MySQL connection, use the curl command in PowerShell. Type curl http://localhost 3000 test-ed and press enter. If everything is configured properly, you will receive a JSON response similar to 2602.116.000 o'clock 000Z. This response verifies that the connection to the MySQL database is working as expected.